types of vectors, what is unit vector, what is null vector, polar vector, axial, how to add vectors, parallelogram law, properties. Today I will share you chapter number 3 notes. Okay, you can utilize after the class. Okay, so next one, acceleration, changing velocity, the rate of change of velocity. It is called acceleration, changing velocity per unit time. It is a one more definition. It is acceleration. Acceleration, positive also there, negative also there. Under variable, constant, uniform, instantaneous acceleration. Everything we'll discuss one by one. Where is the pen? Yes. Okay. Changing velocity divided by time. So velocity means what? The rate of change of displacement. So velocity, initial velocity, final velocity, two conditions it is there. Now we'll discuss what is initial, what is final. Listen, I want to start. So what is the initial state? That is the zero. Start means zero. 0 kilometer per hour. Just image about in your bike starting time. It is a 0 kilometer. So after I'm changing the gear, first gear, second, third, fourth, gradually I'm increasing the speed also around 70 kilometer per hour. So this is a starting stage. Point A, 70 kilometer per hour. Okay. So start in the starting point, it is called as initial velocity U. And A in this point, this is the final velocity V. Clear? This is case 1. Now case 2. So what is case 2 means? The point A it is no, I'm going around 70 kilometer per hour. So suddenly I want to stop one particular place. Nearby one stop, I want to stop. Okay, this one I'm reducing the speed. Again, it is going to 0 kilometer per hour. Now, in the 70 kilometer, it is no. In this 70 kilometer, initial velocity and the stopping position in this speed, it is a final velocity. This is case 2. Case 1, increasing speed or increasing velocity. This is positive. Case 2, decreasing speed. It is negative. Clear? Positive, negative. Acceleration, some condition it is positive, some condition it is negative. In case initial velocity, final velocity, it depends upon initial and final velocity. Why? Because the acceleration formula, the changing velocity per unit time. Changing velocity per unit time. Two condition completed. Ma. Again, third condition it is there. First case, 0 kilometer to 70 kilometer per hour. Starting, this is point A. Second case, point A, 70 kilometers to 0 kilometer. This is a stop. Now third condition, point A, it is a no, that is a 70 kilometer per hour. Again, I'm going to point B, that is a one more position, but I am not reducing my speed. Gradually, same speed I am following. It is also 70 kilometer per hour. This is initial velocity U, this is final velocity V. So based on third condition, you will get whether it is a positive or negative. Acceleration formula, A equal to V minus U by T. This is the formula. V also 70. See here, V also 70, U also 70 per hour. So 70 minus 70 means what? The acceleration, it is the 0. I'm not accelerated. I'm not increasing my speed or decreasing my speed. So this is the 0 value. Third condition, 0. Now, second condition, V minus U, no? V value, this is the V value, this is U value. V value 0 minus U value 70. So this is value for negative. First case, 70 minus 0. Now this is positive. Plus minus 0. Did you understand? So let's go for next topic. It is clear for you? Give me reply, ma. Akash.
Yes, sir.
Akshaya, Aswat, Badri, Darun, Gri, Surya,
Sir,
Hari
yes.
Vimal, Kavin, Mohammed, Mauli, Udaya Kumar, Deekshana Sri, Tanusri. Okay. Formula. Next. So this is based on three equations of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. V final velocity, U initial velocity, A acceleration and time. In this formula, I'm rewriting, I will get this one. Equation number 1. Second equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is second equation. In this equation, no need final velocity. Just initial velocity enough. Easy to find the S means position. For example, I'm dropping one object. I'm dropping one object. This is a building. Okay, one person standing like that. So dropping the stone. It is falling down. The stone falling down. Okay. So stopping, drop means initial velocity U value 0. It is taking time T value around 10 seconds. T value 10 seconds reaching the ground. So based on in this data, I can find the height. See here, U value 0. S is equal to UT, U value 0. T also 0. No need to apply. 1 by 2. Acceleration due to gravity. What is the value? G value. Small g. Give me reply, ma small g. Sri Janani, sorry, Jayani. What is the answer, ma? Small g.
Gravity.
Tell me. Acceleration due to gravity. Yes, ma. Whether it is right or wrong, no problem. You can tell me. Try yourself. Listen, the small g value 9.8 meter per second square. For calculation purpose, I will take 10. Okay. So 10 into t value also 10. So 10 into 10, that is the 10 square. I will take like this 5 times 100 into 5, 500. So S value 500 meter. So this is the position of the object. S value 500. So just only one data. You can also try. Okay, you can stand in first floor or second floor, just to drop any small ball and count the time it is reaching to ground. Okay, try yourself with the safety, man. Anybody's nothing. Okay. Next one, same in vector form. Three equation of motion in vector form. That is the v vector, u vector plus a vector. S vector equal to ut, u vector. That is a velocity and the acceleration. It is vector quantity. That alone you can change. That's all. And this one, initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration. Based on that, I can find the value of s. S is referred position, distance, height, displacement. This is S. S means position, not for speed. Another one, up to that you know very well. So this is one more equation, Sn formula. Sn equal to u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. We'll discuss. Okay, related all the formulas, derivation also there, derivation and how to use in this formula. This and all we'll discuss upcoming class. Okay. Listen. So related to direction and sign. So one direction is positive means another direction is the negative. See, this is the towards left negative. Then what about the right side? Positive. Otherwise, left side positive. Then right side negative. Up it is positive means down it is negative. In case up it is negative. What is the value of down? It is positive. So based on one is a positive means another side is a negative. It is common for the acceleration sign conversion. Now the acceleration value 0 when the velocity is constant. Initial velocity u value and the v value both are also constant. Now only we discuss 70 kilometers per hour both also. Then acceleration equal to 0. And the s, it is directly proportional to t. So another one, a value constant. That is a v directly proportional to t. A value constant. Acceleration, it is constant. V directly, time also increasing, V also increasing. It is a linear graph. At that time, A value is constant. And the S value directly proportional to square of the time. S value directly proportional to square of the time. So in this condition also, you will get the value is constant. So based on the graphical reference. And the A value variable, acceleration, sometime it is a 20 meter per second square, 40 meter per second square, 30 meter per second square. It is variable. It is a condition. V is directly proportional to square of the time. You want to say this one, square of the time, not t square, square of the time. And the S value also directly proportional to cube of the time, t cube. Okay, three conditions: zero, constant, variable. Differentiation, integration we'll discuss separately, ma. What is differentiation? What is integral? That track we'll discuss separately. Okay. So up to that, take a notes. Acceleration, formula, Lysander, take it. Acceleration definition, formula. Next to SI unit. SI unit meter per second square. Dimension formula m0 L power 1 t power minus 2, and this is vector quantity. Please take a notes. Next in this diagram and a condition 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll start with the classwork checking. Ma. Chapter number 2, unit and measurement. Completed students, kindly switch on the camera. show the classwork. Just raise your hands. Completed students. At least you are following classwork note or not. Physics separately one note it is there. That alone first show me one by one. Whether it is incomplete also no problem. First everyone show your classwork. 1 minute, 1 minute. Who's that? Danu? Taranish. Okay, start. 1 second, 1 second. I will take a notes. You how to see? Ma yes, Joshua 1 second, ma. 1 minute, 1 minute. Because I'm writing your name. Okay. Yeah. Okay, next. Sri, okay. Joshua. Karanish. Akshaya K. Joshua. Fourth one, Leo. Abhirakshaya. Surya. Okay, very good. Next page, ma. Surya. Naresh. Naresh, next page, ma. Okay, Akshaya. Okay, others Akshaya, Tarnesh, Joshua, Leo. You can switch off the camera, ma. Thank you. Surya, thank you. Abhirakshya, thank you, ma. Naresh, thank you. Pavi. Next page. Yeah. If you are okay. Niranjan. Next page, Niranjan. Yeah, Niranjan. Deekshana Sri, next page, ma. Yeah, Deekshana Sri, okay. Tarun, next page, Tarun. Divya, thank you, ma. Tarun, okay. Pavi, next page, ma. Thank you. Pavi, okay, thank you. Sanjita, yes. 13.
Sir, Bhavi Pratap, okay, sir.
Yeah, Pavi Pratap, okay, ma. Sanjit, okay. Akshara, R. Show me papers, ma. Next page, ma. Oh, very good. Thank you, ma. Akshara. Next, any others?
Sir, can you see my camera, sir?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Akash, carry on. Now it is not visible anything more. Akash.
Sir, can you see me now, sir?
Yes, ma, carry on. Ashwath, Sadri Prasad, Dhanusri, yeah, Jagadeep. What's your name? Marks. How to move? One second, Jagadeep. Yeah, next page, ma. Jagadeep, good. Okay. Thank you, Jagadeep. Thank you, Jagadeep.
Okay, sir.
Next students. Just show me your classwork, ma. No need to fear. Okay. Whether you are following classwork or not, that is my important. Paveen, Mohammed, Maulidharan, Naresh. Wait, one student. Akash, yeah, Akash, next page, ma. Okay, thank you, Akash.
Thank you, sir.
Sriranga Darshini, Sri Jayani, Deena Darshini. Otherwise, get permission. Sir, tomorrow, today, day after tomorrow. Vartin, Uday Kumar, Vishwaharini. Tomorrow it is okay for you? How many of you tomorrow, ma? Just raise your hands. Tomorrow. Are you listening or not? Only 6 students. Aswat, Melvin, Ganesh, Gokulavasan, Theninian, Uday Kumar. What about others? Okay. That's agreed. Okay.